Hi guys, welcome back to today's tutorial video. In this video we will see how to unzip a file. So you can see that from properties that it's a zip file. Here is zipped. So in this video I will show how to unzip. So click on the file, then hit on the right button and then click on the extract all. Then you can change here folder, but I'm not gonna change that, and hit on the extract, and yep, we are done. So just let me back and see that here is rod connect 1. This is the folder and this is the file. So this is the tutorial how you can unzip a file easily. So if you like my video, do it some thumbs up and stay tuned to it. One way score. Bye bye.